All right, I'm going to go over the problems for lesson 25A, all the problems on the front of lesson 25A, so numbers 1 through 9. For the first 6, I'm going to use FOIL quickly since it's a quicker way to get those problems done, or distributed property depending on whether I have binomial, just a binomial and a monomial, or just one term times two terms. You'll see that on some of these problems. And then on 7 through 9, I'm going to use the method they use by multiplying the method that is used to multiply two digits. So we have we already did number 1. I showed you all the different ways with that one. So let me do number 2, which is already done for you, but I'm going to go over it. So we have 2x times x plus 1. Right, notice this is only one term. This is two terms. So the easiest way is just to do distributed property. So basically I'm taking 2x times x. 2x times x, that is 2x squared. You take because x times x makes the x squared. And then I'm taking 2x times 1, and that is positive 2x, and I'm done. So if you did this quickly, 2x times x, 2x squared. Positive times a positive is a positive, that's why there's a plus, and then 2x times 1 is 2x. Number 3. 2x plus 1 times x plus 2. I am going to use the FOIL method because that's going to be quicker for this one. You have binomials to multiply. 2x times x, 2x squared. Outer, 2x times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so then we have 4x. Inner, 1 times x, positive 1x. Last, 1 times 2, positive 2. And there's going to be like terms in the middle, 4x and 1x make 5x. And just bring everything else down. So we have 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Done. Let's go over number 4. We have x plus 2 and x plus 4. I'm going to do FOIL. Alright, so multiplying first terms, x times x is x squared. Outer, x times 4 is positive 4x. Inner, 2 times x is 2x. Last, 2 times 4 is 8. Combine like terms, we have 4x and 2x, that makes a positive 6x. We have x squared. We have positive 8. Right, number 5, we have x plus 2 times x plus 6. I'm going to do FOIL again. First, x times x squared. Outer, x and 6, so x times 6 is 6x. Inner, 2 and x, so 2 times x is 2x. Last, 2 times 6 is 12. Put together the middle, x squared plus 6x plus 2x is 8x plus 12. All right, last. All right, number 6, we have x times x plus 4. Notice we only have one binomial and then a monomial, or just one term and two terms. Just use distributed property. I don't need to use FOIL here. I just use distributed property. X times x. So I just do x times x, which is x squared. And then x times positive 4, which is a positive 4x, and it's done. All right, let's go over 7, 8, and 9 where it used a different method. Number 7, we have x plus 5 times x plus 2. All right, so we're going to start at the bottom right. Roll up. All right, bottom right, 2 times 5 is a positive 10. If it's a positive, put a plus in front of it. 2 times x is 2x. Since that's the last ones we had to multiply, I don't have to worry about putting plus or minus or anything. Unless it was a negative, I would have put a minus there, but positive, you don't need to worry about that. All right, space. X times 5, 5x. X times x, x squared. X squared plus 2x plus 5x, 7x plus 10. Done. All right, let's go over number 8. X plus 7 times x plus 1. 1 times 7 is plus 7. 1 times x is just x, or 1x. If you need to put a 1x there, that is fine. I'm just going to put it there just in case. X times 7, 7x. X times x, x squared. X squared plus 8x plus 7. All right, last problem, number 9. X plus 6 times x plus 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times x is 3x. X times 6 is 6x. X times x is x squared. We have x squared plus 3x plus 6x, 9x, and then bring down the plus 18, and it is complete. All right, so go ahead and do all the problems on the front of B and C. And then tomorrow you'll be working on the worksheets for D, E, and F. Next video I'm going to go over the word problems for the back of A, B, and C.